Hi guys! Today we are trying a sausage McGriddle and a chicken McGriddle because I never had them and everybody says it's fire. So let me see what the hype is about. Sausage. It's hot. It's sweet. Why is it sweet? Is that a pancake? I like it. But it's so weird, like the sweet and the salty. Why is my screen turning dark? So weird to me right now, but it's good. And the chicken, I swear to God, these are pancakes. Like, we don't have that in Germany, so I'm like confused. Oh my freaking God. Okay, this is a freaking 100 out of 10. Wow. Oh, this is so good. Oh, you guys, I found my little mic for my phone. So I'll probably be able to do like some more ASMR videos in the future. Like, not the stuff that I've been uploading where I just like, you know, you can just hear a little bit. But I'm sure with the mic, I'll be fire. Yo, this is so good. I also have, oh wait. Yum. Yes sis, you should call him. I don't know, I have the same thoughts. It's still hot. Oh yeah, I will call him.